In this video, I'll show you how to create custom frames in Canva in just a few clicks, so you can turn any shape, graphic, or design into a photo frame. And at the end, I'll also share a free custom frame pack template that you can use instantly. So make sure you watch till the end. Let's get started. First, we need an element that will convert into a frame. Go to Elements. Here, I'm going to paste this pack code that I already saved earlier. By the way, if you want more useful packs and hidden Canva elements like this, make sure to follow us on Facebook, because I share cool resources there daily. Now let's continue. From this pack, I'll add this graphic to the canvas. Next, we'll convert this into a frame. For that, we'll use an app. Go to Apps, search for FrameMaker, and click to install it. I've already made a few tutorials about this app. Recently, they added a text frame feature, which is really cool. If you haven't watched that video yet, check it out after this one. But today, we'll use the Convert feature. Choose Frame, then click Continue. Now you'll see three options here. Select By Transparency. This option converts the transparent area into a frame, which is exactly what we want. Now click Convert Design to Frame. Choose Maximum Size. Make sure Transparent Background is checked, and click Export. And just like that, the graphic is now converted into a custom frame. Let's group everything together. Now let's add an image. Go back to Elements, search for Couple, open Photos, and drag any image into the frame. Adjust it, and done. Super easy. So that's how you can create custom frames in Canva using any shape. And if you don't want to create everything from scratch, I've already made a ready-to-use custom frame pack template for you. Just like this video and comment below, and I'll share the download link with you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.